Hey, what's up, boys? Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to look at RDNT. I think we have a clean, long setup here. So if you look at the daily chart, you could see this is making lower lows, lower highs. However, if you jump into the 4-hour, the intraday has now broken structure. Right there. So that's your break of structure. That's usually my first cue that this could be going higher. Number two, we're going to look at RSI. You could see on the daily, it's actually being supported at the 50 RSI, and it held the EMA. So this is in a bullish uptrend. Tells me that we could be in the middle of a reversal here. So the other thing I'm looking at is what are the obvious targets to the upside. If we go into the 4-hour chart, you can see I marked out equal highs. You got 1, 2, 3. So all these wicks are descending, meaning this liquidity pool did not take out these two wicks, and this one did not take out these or these. So these are all open wicks, and we have, again, outside liquidity over here. So there's a lot of liquidity to the upside at this point. Now, the way I'm looking at this more than anything is we have a PO3 as well. So if you just look at this power of 3, we had a consolidative range here. Again, this took out this liquidity. So this right here, this fractal is a little bit obscure, but you could see we did a consolidation here after taking that liquidity point, and we jump back into the range over here, and we're essentially holding this level right here. So it looks like we're setting up for expansion on this PO3. Now I want to overlay one last thing, which is the trade setup itself. For me, the way I'm seeing this up close is we stop short of this daily imbalance. So if you look here, I marked in the daily imbalance, which is this candle right here, where you see an obvious buy side imbalance. On the 4-hour, you could see we created this inducement level here of equal lows, where today on that Ponzi scam from the SEC, where Rat Boy Gensler basically tanked the market by, within 5 minutes, you could see we created equal lows, relatively equal lows right above the daily imbalance. So this is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for an entry model, because what you have here is you have this candle to rebalance on the daily. You have a ton of liquidity here, people that thought this is support. And what I'm looking for now that we've rebalanced this candle is a push down into that liquidity point, finalizing this inducement, and then taking our longs. So the other thing is I'm only going to be putting maybe 25% of the size over here, just in case these two get taken out, and that'll be my second entry, and then giving enough buffer in case this level gets taken out as well. I don't think it'll go there. I think this is going to be a protected level, but you do want to give a little space, because these shitcoins, they tend to collapse when the market is showing momentum to the downside. So that's the trade setup. And if you zoom out, again, I'm going to be targeting these equal highs. And then obviously after you take heavy profits over here, you can leave a runner just in case it rips through here and goes into price discovery mode, which is going to be wild for RDNT. I think this thing is going to absolutely rip up. And this is going to be one of the gems, where you can buy spot and just sit on it from around 28 cents all the way up. So hopefully this setup plays out. Again, it's unpredictable because we're going into the weekend, especially a long weekend. Well, I don't know if it's a long weekend in the States. I know it is in Canada, but I think you guys have July 4 coming up. So obviously you want to exercise risk management, but this to me looks like a really clean setup for 6R and 12R. Anyway, guys, have a great day.